Welcome back to CryptosRUs. I am George. We're all George. Man, we got another exciting day. Welcome to another stream. Today we got to talk about Gary Gensler officially resigning and has caused some major rallies. A lot of pumps going on right now. And is today the day Bitcoin breaks into $100,000? Yesterday was quite exciting. We saw Bitcoin go to 97,000, but we are starting out tonight above 98, closing in at 99,000. Are we going to get that magical $100,000 Bitcoin and we're going to get it live? There's a really good chance of it. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Welcome. We are starting out the night at 98.7. The buying, the FOMO train continues. Look at how close we are to that magical 9994 that I drew. It really should be at 100, but I couldn't line it right. But man, we are getting closer and closer, guys. It wasn't that long ago. This seemed like this was so far off. But now we are here. We are only $1,300 away. Okay, that is within grasp. And not only that, look at that. Look at what happened to my favorite crypto of all time. Look at that. Look at XRP pumping to the moon. Hey, I like to show you guys something, okay? Because I am the greatest predictor of pumps. I am the greatest predictor. You know, last night we had 11,000 people in here. All right, 11,000 people. And, this was last night's stream. And I was on here for like an hour and a half. And I was about to get off. Listen to what I said right before I signed off. Listen to this. All right, guys. Smash the like. Subscribe to the channel. It's been really fun. I'm going to get some rest. Everyone go buy some XRP. Did you guys listen? I gave you guys a hint. Go buy some XRP. Did you guys listen? See, if you did, you would be up 8%. I'm just kidding. I just randomly called that. Anyways, you know what? Today's just a good day. We're going to cross 100,000. XRP started pumping. Cardano started pumping. A lot of things started pumping today. It's just overall a good day because Gary Gensler is gone and, will be gone in January. And there's a lot of great news. Today, I got to say this. I got to share a personal story, but this is good. MicroStrategy actually went down today, okay? In a big way. And you know what? This is actually a good thing. I've been saying this for a while now, that MicroStrategy was due for a big correction, obviously, because it's been going up forever. And I think this got a lot of people scared today. But this is absolutely a fantastic thing because remember what I've been saying recently. Any dip is a gift at this point. Even with MicroStrategy. You realize with Bitcoin now, we're not getting any kind of these gifts anymore, right? After 90,000, do we see any crashes anymore? Are we seeing any crash from 90,000 down to 60,000 or 70,000 or even 80,000? Zero. We're not getting any more gifts when it comes to Bitcoin. But, today we were given one with MicroStrategy, right? So obviously it's the same whenever you're presented a gift at this point, especially when it relates to Bitcoin, it's a buying opportunity. I finally convinced my friends who have been sitting on the sidelines forever to buy. So those of you guys that are wondering what happened, there was some hedge fund that declared that they're shorting MicroStrategy. That's what happened, right? But whenever, you guys know, we were watching the shorts get wrecked yesterday. That's exactly what's going to happen. MicroStrategy and Bitcoin is going to continue to go up to the moon. And all the hedge funds that dare to short either Bitcoin or MicroStrategy, they are going to get absolutely wrecked. Okay, so anyways, I just want to say that. Great buying opportunity. All right, MicroStrategy also completes a 3 billion raise to buy more Bitcoin as MicroStrategy falls 25%. Guess why he raised $3 billion more? Because Saylor wants to buy more Bitcoin. This is the reason why Bitcoin does not go down now. The supply shock, the FOMO is real. There's just so much buying at this point. There's too much FOMO. The gift that I've been talking about, any dip is a gift. It wasn't seen that way when we were like 60,000 Bitcoin, right? Everyone was complaining, well, why isn't Bitcoin going up? Why isn't Bitcoin going to new all-time high? Everyone's just like complaining. Look at where we are now. Where are those 60,000 gifts now? Like, we're not getting them. We just keep going higher and higher and higher and higher, right? Yeah, there's no more of those gifts anymore. So Wall Street, obviously, buying up as much as they can. Michael Saylor buying up as much as they can. The FOMO train has started, and tonight we may even see $100,000. We're so close. 98.6. Once we surpass 99, it's going to happen. Now, the biggest story of the day, obviously, is this. Gary Gensler, who gave a farewell speech last week, all of a sudden, we knew this was going to come. And today, he tweeted this out. It's funny that people now just announce things on Twitter or X rather than do it officially. I don't know, with a press conference or something. But yeah, so he tweeted this out today. And even though I guess Trump does not have the power to fire SEC chairs, he knew that his time was up because the SEC is being sued by 18 states. And obviously, he knew that Trump does not want him there. And he has overstepped. No one likes Gensler, so he is out of there. So whoever gets appointed next, if they're very pro-crypto, it's going to be absolutely fantastic because everyone else being appointed right now, they are all pro-crypto. I mean, 2025 is going to be absolutely awesome. Awesome. That's why so many things are doing well today. Yes. Charles Schwab, CEO, says he feels silly for not buying crypto. Yeah, at this point. Again, remember I've been saying the FOMO train. Everyone's feeling FOMO. All the big boys on Wall Street, they are feeling FOMO. And Charles Schwab announced that they will enter the crypto markets because Schwab is like looking around and realizing, oh my God, not only do we not have an ETF, we're not offering spot trading, we're not offering custody service. What the hell are we doing? Everyone else around us is getting rich besides us. We have made a grave mistake. And not only that, I myself don't have any Bitcoin. I feel stupid. This is FOMO. Everyone on Wall Street is starting to feel it now. Right? This is exactly what FOMO is. And everyone on Wall Street is starting to feel it. And Saylor, you got to thank Saylor. He's the one that kind of like jumpstarted everything on Wall Street. President Bukele, through his DCA, now up 108%, 305 million in profit, and his portfolio's up $573 million. Imagine opening up your portfolio and seeing $573 million. That's not too shabby. That's not too shabby. That's the power of DCA. My DCA portfolio, just as impressive. It's up 105%. So percentage is about the same. The current balance, not the same though. But to be fair, he's running a country. I am not. But you get the point, right? DCA over time works. That's what you do. Whale addresses accumulating crazily 30,694 Bitcoin last 21 days. Again, crazy accumulation all around. FOMO train is not going to stop. Supply shock is happening. This is why it seems like every single day Bitcoin continues to go higher. Last night, 11,000 of you guys tuned in to watch us break 95,000. And that was a big deal last night. We finally broke 95,000 and we saw Bitcoin shoot up to 96,000 to 97,000. And guess what? Now the new norm is 98,000. And we're probably going to surpass 99,000, right? It's like, it's the new norm. Every day we're having a new high. Pretty soon, the new norm is going to be above $100,000. That's how it is now these days. What happened to the days of bitching about not being above $60,000 or $69,000? Seems like those days are gone. Every single day, we're making a new norm, like Bitcoin is just going to be higher. It's crazy. It's absolute insanity if you think about it. That's how it is now. $70 billion in volume today in Wall Street. And again, just led by BlackRock. Don't know the official number yet. Even without BlackRock, we had an inflow of 400 million. I don't know about the Bitcoin options, but like the first few days was actually phenomenal. But I'm sure BlackRock's numbers going to be insane. Yesterday, they bought 626 million. Today, probably just as much, if not more. So it's going to be insane. Today also, third consecutive new high. Yes. Tomorrow, are we going to get a fourth consecutive new high? Or we just go keep on going? How many consecutive highs are we going to get? I don't know. If Wall Street keeps FOMOing in, I don't know how many consecutive highs are we going to get. We're going to end this month at plus 40 or 50%. It's going to be absolutely nuts. What about the prediction market? This morning, the prediction market for 100,000 was still at like 93%. It wasn't even 100%. Still, some people don't believe we're going to hit 100,000. But you know what? We're right there. We're right there. And what about after 100,000? Well, according to the Fibonacci levels, after 100,000, our next level should be at 114,000. Okay. And then after that, I don't know where, then you have to restart the Fibonacci level, and then we're going to end up somewhere else. But if we end up at $114,000 by the end of December, man, that would be glorious. But imagine if we hit 114,000 by the end of November. The way we're going now, we're like adding $2,000 every single day. If we hit 100,000 tonight, and then we hit 102,000 tomorrow, and then we keep on going and we hit 114,000 by the end of November, then are we going to really hit like 150,000 by December end? That would be too crazy. Then we probably would be due for like a massive correction sometime in January. If we actually do close at like 150,000 by the end of the year, that would be absolutely insanity. Okay, so we probably do need to slow down a little bit. Maybe we need some of that money to go into the alts, right? Maybe we want to see some of the alts go up. We want to see that dominance come down a little bit. But you know what? Again, the FOMO train from Wall Street continues to roll. Everyone is buying. Those options, the ETFs, continue to buy hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, maybe billions of dollars of Bitcoin every single day now. So we may be ending up around 280,000, but you know what? Again, it depends on where we end up by the end of this year. If we end this year at 150,000, are we really going to end up at 280,000 next year? Who knows, right? It really depends on how high we end up this year, and then you know what, we can decide next year, right? It really depends on how high we go this year. And yeah, I mean, this cycle is definitely led by institutions, right? Last few cycles, in fact, all of our previous cycles, led by retail. Retail's in whales. Whales still not institution. This cycle, completely, 100% right now, led by institutions. Retail, I could argue, hasn't even come in yet, right? But once they do, I think it's going to be quite interesting. I don't think retails will come in putting their money into Bitcoin. When retail comes in, they're going to put all their money into alts. So that will be interesting because there's going to be onslaught of money driving Bitcoin upwards. So by the time retail really comes in, all that money is going to flow into the alts, the memes, and all the narratives that we're hearing about, like AI and gaming and DePIN and DeFi and everything else, right? It's going to be really interesting, I think, this cycle. This cycle is going to be unlike anything else. And that onslaught of money going in to Bitcoin from the institutions is never ending. Retail has a limit of how much money, but these institutions is never ending. They have trillions of dollars, trillions waiting to enter, right? It's just going to be really interesting. But you know what? Institutions could be helping alts too, because now we have ETF filings for a lot of alts. Solana is going to get one. We got XRP, that's going to get one. Hedera may get one. Now, Cardano may be getting one. So even with the alts, we may get the help from the likes of, Wall Street, from these funds, because once we get these ETFs, we could get those trillions to go into these alts too. Right? Oh, look at this. Van Eck files for Solana ETF. Just yesterday, Bitwise filed one for Solana. Once Solana gets an ETF, man, Solana is going to fly. Unlike ETH ETF, which did nothing for ETH, A Sol ETF is going to be different. Sol is going to fly. Yeah, that's for sure. All right. That's pretty much it, guys. It looks like we are inching closer and closer and closer to that magical 100,000 mark. We just need a little push, guys. We just need a little push. Once we break 99, let's look at the liquidations here. The liquidation levels. Let's see what we got. Oh, see? There we go. We're pressed up against right here, 99,000. That's why we haven't moved. 99,000. We got about 17 million worth of shorts waiting to be liquidated. Then we got 11 million, 15 million, 16 million, and then finally the magical 100,000, 10 million. To be quite honest, there's not that much. That's about only 50 million worth of shorts waiting to be liquidated on Binance. If you add up all the other exchanges, I don't think it's that much. Binance is the biggest, so we actually don't have that much. We just need a little push upwards. Above 99, we're golden. But in the meantime, we do have a lot of good movers. XRP is still doing good. It hit a peak of 140, up 10%, over 10%. Cardano hit a new high today, or a high of this year, 87, almost 88 cents. Stellar actually joining the game. Stellar has been following XRP's footsteps. Solana also did well, is now at 258. It hit 260. It hit its previous high from March. All fantastic. And a lot of random stuff went up today too. Overall, it's just a really good day. Really good day for the entire industry. All right, let's do some Q&A. I'm sorry. I know a lot of people threw some super chats. They have all disappeared, so I'm sorry if I don't see them anymore. XRP Army GA Yoda is saying, I said 140 by year end looks probable. If we do hit 100,000 by tonight or tomorrow, then yeah, there is a chance. There is a chance. The volume actually looks great right now. Volume looks great. If we just push a little bit past 99, I think we did hit 99 today. We did hit it once over here, but you can see we're just moving. We're moving pretty good upwards. We just need a little bit more pressure. Isaac is naming some new meme. Clarence, appreciate it. All right, let's see here. Do you know where Satoshi is? Can he come back? Sure, he could come back. Is it likely? No. I don't think he would want to reveal himself, but I do think it's a group of people. Oh, we're making a little push. 98.8. Make a little push. Is Peter Schiff still talking trash? The more he talks trash, the higher Bitcoin goes. Plan B says 500K Bitcoin, but Rainbow says 250. Plan B is just using his, his stock to flow. I don't know. Stock to flow does make some crazy predictions. According to stock to flow, Bitcoin could go as high as $1 million by the end of this cycle. I just don't see that. So, did you DJ MSTU? I have a ton of MSTU, and I'm gonna keep buying more of it because I think MicroStrategy is gonna go to $1 trillion market cap by the end of next year. Bitcoin is going to continue to go to the moon, and so will MicroStrategy. I am 100% certain of that. That is not financial advice, but that is what I believe in. Crypto Eagle, thoughts on Injective and Dog with Nunchucks? I like Injective. I've heard of that meme. I just don't know if it's going to do well, but I do like Injective a lot. Lightus, raise your hands, chat, let's Goku this to 100K. Hey, we're inching closer and closer. Look at it. 98, 8880, 888, 890. We're getting closer and closer to that 99,000. I haven't seen us really hold above 99,000. If we get above 99,000, things will get a little interesting. Big snack wave coming. Plan B was wrong. Plan B was wrong last cycle. He took a lot of hate after last cycle, but he built his reputation back up again. I made a lot of money. Finally, XRP, man. I told you guys I was down huge with XRP and ADA yesterday. That's why I was so frustrated. That's why I told you guys to go buy XRP yesterday. But luckily, XRP and ADA turned around today. So I finally made some money on both of these. But yesterday, I was down so badly. Oh my God. We're going to hit 99, guys. We're going to hit 99. I got a long on BTC, but it's not doing very well. How low do you think Bitcoin will go after sellers go out around 99.5, 100? I don't know. I don't know, man. It could come back right back down to 95, 90, but it could just keep on going because there's so much FOMO. I really don't know. Will you drink that blue label with us and watch BTC Live hit? If it hits 100K, okay, fine. I'll go get the blue label again. I'm trying not to drink, guys, but you guys are forcing me. I guess I'll go get it if we hit 100K. And there's 10,000 people watching. I'll put that stipulation. What's my favorite meme coin? I don't really have a favorite one. Oh, we hit 99. Oh, we just broke it. Let's see if we broke a new high. Today, the high was 99.075. We're about to break a new high. Soldier. Oh. Did we just break it? No, we didn't. We're about to. Sol just broke a new high. Yeah, Sol's 261. So just broke today's high. Let's see. Oh, I think we're about to do it, guys. Oh, we did it. 99.08589. We just made a new high. Once again. Brand new high. You know, the George effect is real. You know, people used to laugh at that, but it is a real thing. When you guys tune in, you know, Bitcoin just pumps. All right, we are $900 away from $100,000. $900 away. Okay, I'm not go check that out. Your views on chill guy coin? I have no views on a meme coin. It either pumps or it dumps. That's really it. I have no views. There should be no views on memes because there's nothing. There's no fundamentals. It's just whether it gets the community to pump it or not. All right, guys. It seems like we got real traction here. 99.2. We got some legs, guys. We're 800 points away. I think we're going to do it. I think we're going to do it, guys. Yeah, I don't think we're going to stop. I think we will get 100,000 live on this stream here. Did I monitor the development of Cody during this bear? No, they had something with Cardano, but I don't know what happened to it. I think they just stopped, right? If ETH loses favor, is that bad for layer 2 coins? Yes, it does. Because no one wants to go on top of the layer 2s. Oh man, my internet just disconnected for a little bit. I don't know why. Maybe Gensler's not happy about the stream. We got 9,000 people in here about to witness history if this keeps on going. Man, Solana's pumping too. 264 right now. Look at Solana. Solana's joining in on the fun. Oh man, we got 10,000 people here about to witness history. 99.3. I think I better go get the blue label ready. Should I go grab the bottle? Or we go do it? Or we go actually go do it? I don't... We are getting closer and closer. I guess I gotta go. I gotta grab it. What if I go grab it and I miss the 100K? I'm afraid I'm gonna miss it. No, I'm gonna stay here. I gotta witness it. Yeah, we're cutting through these really badly. The next one's 99.4, another 11 million, After that is 99.6. That's going to be a huge one. 99.7. That's a 19 million. If we get through that 99.7, it's pretty clear, guys. 99.7, that's 19 million. If we get through it, Cormac is already drinking. Oh, we lost a little momentum. We lost a little bit. Thomas, welcome. Rami's exchange? I've never heard that exchange before. All right, I'm going to grab it just in case. It seems like we got a little time. I'll be right back. Oh, we're losing a little momentum. Maybe we're not going to do it, guys. It would have been bad if we had like a spike and I missed it. Snack on Cardano is cool. It's the year of the snack. I do like snack. Steven. TMI. TMI. Macallan 50. I never even heard of that. I thought Macallan 18 was good. Never even heard of Macallan 50. Are we go build this momentum back? Man, I got pretty darn close. 99.4. Oh. Looks like we're not quite done yet. All right, let's give it another few minutes. If we don't come back in another 5 minutes, then I think we may be done. But who knows? It's a soul meme. Chocopotus, low enough market cap for life changing. I have no idea, man. Don't ask me about some random memes because I'm not going to be able to tell you anything about it. Hey, we still got a chance. Going right back up. Let's see. We already liquidated a lot of shorts on the upside here. So we should be able to get back up to 99.4 really quick. And then we got some shorts here at 99.6. If we get through here, let's see. Let's see if we can get back up here pretty quick. Yeah, we're still going up. Still going up. those sellers are making it tough right now. Man, everyone just go throw 100x on Bitcoin right now. Go 100x long. That'll push this upwards. Man, we're so close. We're $600 away. $600 away. Oh, man. So close. So close. Now I gotta put the blue label away. Hey, unless we're gonna give it one more shot here. One more shot. I don't think we have enough momentum. We just don't have enough volume right now. Not enough buyers. We need some more buyers. In the meantime, though, it does seem like some of the other alts have picked up momentum. It looks like XRP is starting to pick up again. ADA started to pick up again, which is good. Solana is starting to pick up again. So a lot of the alts. ETH is starting to pick up again. 33,777. So a lot of the alts are starting to gain. Doge is not. So while we're waiting for Bitcoin, it does seem like a lot of the alts are starting to gain a little bit. So I guess that's something. Yeah, I don't think we're going to hit 100K tonight, but we're pretty close. Pretty darn close. It's going to happen. If it's not tonight, it's going to be tomorrow. Although yesterday, after I signed off, we were at 97, right? After I signed off, we hit like 98.2 in the middle of the night. Asia is picking up right now. So Asia may be feeling the FOMO and driving us higher. So we may actually see 100 in the middle of the night for those of us in the US, but then in the morning we may see it. Man, we got 10,000 people in here once again. I do not follow Cowan, but I know him. Thoughts on Bitcoin dominance? Yeah, what of it? Bitcoin dominance is high. In almost every cycle, Bitcoin dominance goes about like 80 something. Now 70s, and then it comes down during altcoin season. It has always been like that, but this cycle, I'm not sure Bitcoin dominance will go that high. It may, I mean, we're in the 60, like low 60s. I think we could go a little bit higher. I don't know if we could go into like the mid 70s. That's just a little too high. I'm really curious. I'm really curious if some of the alts are really going to start moving after 100K. Because obviously, right now, the institutions are the ones that are FOMOing into Bitcoin, causing this like every single day, just the onslaught of buying. And we have no breaks whatsoever, right? The alts have not been doing the same thing, but they're starting to pick up. So I'm wondering, after we break 100K, are we going to see some real movement on a lot of the alts? Quite possibly. Right now we're seeing a few. Like, for example, Solana's picking up, XRP, Cardano, they're starting to pick up, but there are a lot that are still trailing. So I'm just wondering if things are going to change. But like XRP right now, we haven't seen this level on XRP since like 2021. I don't even know if 2021 XRP have gotten this high. This might be like the highest since 2018. Oh, no, I was wrong. 2021 XRP topped out at $2. So it hasn't seen this level since here, September 2021. If it goes any higher, then it's May of 2021. Wow. It's a long time. If XRP could keep going and breaks through like $2, man, that would be crazy. That would be absolutely crazy. And then Cardano hasn't seen this level since all the way back here. I think if Cardano keeps going, next stop could be like 118. Like there's really, I mean, on the weekly it's kind of oversold, so it might, overbought. It might stop a little bit, but honestly, if it keeps going, the next level is probably 118. Solana just broke its March high. It just broke out of that. That's very positive. Man. 58,000%. Oh, wait. No, it broke its all-time high. It didn't break just its March high. It broke its all-time high. Oh, man, I got that wrong. I thought it just broke its March high. No, it broke its all-time high. Wow. I completely got that wrong. So Solana is an uncharted territory right now. Solana's like Bitcoin, uncharted territory. Solana has gone up 58,000% since its origins in 2021. Yeah, that's nuts. I kept referring to a March. I kept saying March. I didn't know. Yeah, it's March. It's the all-time high for Solana. That's kind of nuts. That's why it's so close now to flipping Tether. It's only 6 billion away, and it's getting closer and closer to Ethereum. Getting closer to Ethereum, but Ethereum did move up a good 8%. So it created a little bit of distance, above 400 billion now. What else went up today? Avalanche went up 8%, 9%. That's good. I really do like Avalanche. I mean, today is actually pretty good. Double digits almost everything. But yesterday was a bad day, so it's kind of deceiving. It shows it's up double digits because yesterday was such a bad day. But if you sort by like the whole week, let's say, you got like Stellar, Hedera, XRP, FTT token. Do not buy FTT token. But you got like some oldies like Algorand that's up, Radium on Solana, Quant, Optimism, Arbitrum. They both pumped yesterday because of Ethereum. Ethereum started moving. VeChain, Cosmos, even Matic. They went up. Starting to get a little bit of momentum. Just a little bit. Just slight. Good. After 100,000, we may see a lot more of that. May see a lot more of that. Look at that. Textbook right there, right? Giant cup and handle and breakout after the handle. It's like textbook. When we broke out of this, didn't seem like anything was happening. And then now it's like clear as day. That is textbook breakout from a cup and handle. Usually it doesn't just like go vertically like that. Usually it actually goes sideways, but we just went absolutely parabolic. You need to play your XRP, not promotional video, educational video. Thoughts on Sui? It really slowed down recently because they just had a network outage yesterday, so that definitely didn't help. Jolamas, I do remember that. That was a great DCA opportunity. All right, guys. I guess we're not going to hit that magical 100,000 mark, but no worries. Tomorrow's another day. It seems like we go up 1,000 every single day. If we're not going to do it today, tomorrow is going to be the day. I really thought we were going to do it today, guys. We were 400. Was it 400? No, 600 points away during this stream. I really thought we were going to do it. We hit 99.4, but it doesn't matter. We formed a new high during this stream. A new all-time high for Bitcoin. 99,400. The George effect is real. Only happens during my streams. So make sure you tune in tomorrow. Tomorrow's a big day. Tomorrow's Friday, and things go wild on Friday. So tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Make sure you tune in. All right? Have a good night, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
What do you think about Ripple?
Well, I mean, I think it's too centralized, but I definitely want to meet Chris Larson.